Hey, family, 3 rugs out and 1 platform in. But before I talk about that, I want to give you a chance to read this disclaimer. All right, guys, let's get to it and do it. Well, today was a busy day when you wake up. Count them, 1, 2, 3 platforms down. One real quick. Finact is gone. 88 and out the gate. It is out the building. And this one, boy, I tell you, this one came and went real quickly. Metal Monkey, the monkey is out of the cage or wherever the monkey is, but the monkey is no longer sending and receiving messages and no longer paying out. Also, some people have been getting money from this particular company. I have not. In fact, when you see let me see here, online funds, this is number 3. When you see the pending withdrawal, that lets you know that platform is gone, at least for me. So I'm taking it off. If I can't, if it says instant and it gets pending, guess what? I'm done with you. So that was 3 platforms that came and went real quickly in about the space of, well, Metal Monkey took about 1 day. The other one's about the space of 4 or 5 days, maybe. Today's just Thursday. It has been a busy week. So with that being said, that lets me know that, yeah, these hourlies, boy, I told you none of these platforms are loyal, but these hourlies are certainly not loyal. My gosh, that was quick. So just, hey, it is what it is. I only invest money that I'm willing and able to lose. And that's why I always encourage you to do your own due diligence. Don't follow behind anybody. Do your own due diligence, because I'm not a financial advisor and I don't give any financial advice. And hey, it is what it is. Like I said, it's like for me, it's like going to the casino. Hey, you put something on the table. Sometimes you go away from the casino and you win. Sometimes you lose. I just charge it to the game. Here's one of the things that I have noticed, and one of the things that I'm making my adjustments going forward in my strategy. This is for me, but in my strategy, what I've noticed when I looked at repo, it had a very high rate, but there was a short time. It's like, I think 2% within 100 hours. So that was a little over 4 days. So it was real short. As I look at these hourlies now in retrospect, and then in hindsight, everything in hindsight is 2020, right? We'd always, man, I woulda, coulda, shoulda. But when I look at it, the longer the timeout and the higher the rate, the less likely they are to make the distance. I mean, my gosh, Mellow Monkey, it didn't make it 1 day. So you just really can't account for that. That was just that was too weird, but you're gonna miss some. That's just part of the game. Going forward, I know with those hourlies, I'm kind of probably had my feel for those for a little bit, but the right one comes along, I'll probably be in that one too. But at least for now, I'm going something with that has just been delivering time and time again. And yeah, but it's just we have just have fun with these anyway. So with those off the board, let's go to one that is delivering, and that's Money Gains, moneygains.biz. A couple of my friends, went in together on the package, and then we'll talk about the packages in a moment. But before we do that, I want to go ahead and withdraw. And what they did is they did a couple of strategies on this particular platform. And I just want to share those with you. But before we do that, I want to go ahead and get some money. Yeah, kind of need some money. At least try to withdraw this money here. 2815. 2815. All right, 28.15. All right, just that quick. Like I said, it's not instant, but it is fast. Usually gets there, I would say probably about within, I don't know, about 10 minutes, something like that. Usually while I'm still making the video is there. So the strategy on this, for this particular platform, now you don't have to use this strategy, you can use whatever you want to. The strategy for this one though, and let's go here. And go here. is they went in together and got one of the bigger packages. Let me show you, review the plans with you. The thing I like about Money Gains as well is that they're shorter plans. As I tell them, time is everything. Timing is everything. So these are some shorter plans, 10 days. Wow. So, and it's been, like I said, from the chat, I know it's been around at least as long as January, at least that long, maybe longer. And they, they're saying as long as October. I can't confirm or deny that particular part, but I know from the chat, it's been at least January that they've been around. So what my friends did is they went into this one. We went into this one together as a group, and we got the $500 package on this one. And then we also picked up this one as well. I mean, because you can only use this one once, right? But as this one is rolling along, if we're going to use this one once, hey, why not pick this one up as well? Yeah, why not? Why not just go ahead and do that? And so we have two running concurrently. That's why you saw the $28 there. And let's go here and log back in. I'll go here. And we will show you the withdrawal history. So this is where we decided, hey, why not go ahead and get that $90 plan as well, $315 a day, and just get all the money. Get all the money that's available. The 25 is where we started out. That's of the 500. But then, hey, get all that's available to you. So far, it's been delivering accurately. It's just been delivering. And I have had a couple of plans with this one. So yeah, there are a lot of platforms that are going down left, right, and in between. This one has at least stood the test of time for me. I can only tell you what my experience has been with it. And hey, it's delivered, and I appreciate that. All right, guys. Well, with that being said, this is Sean Hill, and I hope that you've gotten some value from this. Hopefully you learned some. I tell you, I'm learning lessons all the time, guys, all the time, knowing what to, kind of making adjustments. And like I said, you probably won't be seeing as many hourlies from me as I've been doing. Just, man, repo was so good. I totally admit it. I got caught up in repo, did so well with that one, saw these other ones, and they look just like it. Was like, man, let me go ahead, let me try these, and boy, they just did not work out. Usually the copies are just not as good as the original, and that certainly was the case with this one. But this one, I haven't had any problems with. I've been able to chat with customer care. They've been very helpful. I've been able to receive my withdrawals whenever I needed them. That's been very helpful. Like I said, they're not instant, but they are very, very quick. All right, guys, with that being said, hopefully you got, and I've also updated my videos about the other ones to let you know that they're no longer paying. Don't do it. Don't put any money in there. No. Stop. All right, guys. Well, hopefully you've gotten some value from this. We just keep rocking and rolling. We go right on to the next one. And let me also say this as well. These are high risk platforms, all of them. Any of them can go down at any time. So if this is, we always say it, but I just want to re-emphasize that this is not the place to put your important money. This is fun money. So if I 35 here, 40 there, it's not a big deal for me, but that is for some people. And for some people, 2 million is it's not a big deal. You have to go by what's in your wallet, what's in your bank account, what's important for you, what you enjoy. And these are not the platforms for you to really put in. That's why I call them deposits and not investments. This is not where I would invest any of these platforms. It's not an investment. I make deposits. Like, I don't go to the casino and say, I'm going to invest in that casino today. I'm going to invest in that, slot machine. I'm going to invest in that blackjack table today. That's not what I say. And I would encourage you not to think that way as well. Come over here. And that way, if you lose it, it's lesson learned. You had some fun, maybe made a little money, maybe didn't. It's just charged to the game. But this is not I always say this is not the come up. This is not the double down. This is not where you put in money that you cannot afford to lose. And please, please, please don't ever chase money. Don't ever chase money. So you start chasing money and, well, I lost money on that platform. Now I'm going to go over here to get it. I lost money on the other one. So I'm not going to, you'll always be behind and you'll just dig yourself a deeper hole. You really will. And so I just want to encourage you with that today. Some people are frustrated. Oh my God, they all went down. It happens. It happens. Lesson learned. We adjust our strategy and we move forward. Life goes on. You know, that's the way it is. Okay, guys. So anyway, just want to let you know, give you that update. Make sure that you are part of my Telegram group, because there I was able to let people know early before I even was able to do a video, because I had things I had to do before I did the video. But on the Telegram group, and also as if you subscribe, you'll get my notifications as far as my community. I was able to put out a community post letting people know that the platforms are no longer paying. And I've updated the videos as well, because I believe I need to at least do that. Take down my links, update the videos, and make sure that to the degree that I cannot contribute to these people, I won't do that. I don't want to do that. Anyway, money gains. If you want to try money gains, make sure you click the link in the description and in the comment section. Also, I hope you got value from this. If you got value from this video, hit the thumbs up button. Hope you did. And if you want to be notified when I have the latest updates of any of the platforms, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. With that being said, this is Sean Hill, and I'll see you in the casino and on the next video.